I think Mars के लिपस्टिक में ज़्यादा लगाती हूँ. I think ये सारे Mars के प्रोडक्ट है ये सारे. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another haul video. So today is Nykaa haul video and this is a haul video of mixture of skincare and makeup products that I bought during the sale. And some of these are my favorite while some of these are completely new to me, and I'll share all the honest review for every product. So without further wasting time, let's get into the haul. First one of this, starting with this cute lip tint of Etude water tint, and it's in a shade strawberry. I like this product. It's in like watery blush or like lip tint or cheek tint. And it's super watery and give you fresh look. Like it, if you apply on your cheeks, it will give like natural look, and this is best for everyday use. If you're a college student, then this should be in your makeup box because this will give you natural flush, and I'll show you how this goes. See this, it's so watery, and just you need to you know blend it, and this give you a natural look. It will look like that you haven't applied anything on your cheeks or lips, and this one is perfect for everyday use, and I got this in 400, around 400 rupees. So next we have this Mars Popstar lipstick. I recently bought this, and I bought in a shade, two shade. One is Hot Topic, another is Fame. This is a red rust type of shade, and I think this is a very budget friendly lipstick because it cost me only 229 rupees, and I will show you the shade. This is a shade of Hot Topic. It's in little red rusty shade, and this is perfect for the party or for any event if you want to. That's why I bought this, because for the I wanted in a little red but not hot red type, just in a rusty tone, so I bought this one. And the second one is, where it goes, this one, the Fame one. It's a mauve lipstick, and let me show you. I haven't used this one yet. अरे निकल जा भाई. निकलता ही नहीं है. This is the shade of, this is the Fame. It's a mauve lipstick, and let me show you the shade. काफी अच्छा है. This is a shade. It's good for everyday use, I guess. I'll try this one, and I will add the shots on this lipstick as well, so stay tuned for that. Next I have this Mamaearth Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick, and it has avocado oil and vitamin E, and I bought it in a shade of the Carnation Nude, and I have used it already, and I also breaked it while applying on my lips. I don't know ये कैसे टूट गया मुझसे, but I was applying on my lips and it just but this is, if you apply on your lips, it feel like nothing on your lips, and it will be super, it will hydrate your lips, and it's super pigmented. I can show you. It's also in a mauve pink, and it's basically for everyday wear, and it's very comfortable to apply it on lips, and it's good for dry lips too because it will hydrate your lips. So next one is, this is again Mars Matte Mousse lipstick, and this was very trendy and out of stock, for some time because I saw multiple reels on this lipstick also, and this was very trendy because it will give you like uh Korean shade of like it's a Korean type of lipstick, and that is why it's very trending in India. So let me show you. I got in a shade of Love Lady. So this is the, it's in a nude shade. See, this is a nude shade. So this is a nude shade, and if you applied it, it's a matte, you know, it's a velvety feel. So next I got this Mars lip liner, and I got two of this because this is very affordable, and you know it's very cheap. So जो next है वो है Faces Canada का Strobe cream, and this is with shea butter and hyaluronic acid, and this is in a shade rose gold. I use this under my BB cream, like it will give that lid from within glow and without like any glittery thing. But you can use it as a highlighter also. This rose gold shade look beautiful on Indian skin, and look at the packaging. It's super beautiful and it feels luxurious. This is the thing. It will give you natural uh, shade. See, I don't know it's showing on camera or not, but actually giving beautiful glittery type. And it cost me 500 rupees, 600 rupees. I had this Swiss beauty cremator blush, and this is my second bottle. I restock it because I like this blush, because I like the cream blush more compared to the powder blush. And this is in a cream, uh, this is in a shade 05 Chick O Pink, and just one dot, and it's highly pigmented and lightweight. Just need finger to just blend it well. You don't need brush for this as well. See, just a drop, and I'll show you how pigmented. You can see this is good for everyday makeup, and it has a soft and creamy texture and give you a healthy flush. So yeah, this one is the best product. I love this blush. I have this Mars, again Mars. There's a Mars makeup toolkit, and I bought this I think a month ago, I guess. And the cute and useful brush set, and you will get this type of holder, and inside you will get these brushes. So these have the foundation brush, the highlighter brush, the powder brush, and these the 5 eyeshadow brushes. Quality is really good, and it's give a nice grip. It's good for beginners, and it's more travel friendly. You can carry this in a holder. You don't need to put it on a bag or somewhere else. You have this holder and you just put it on your bag, and then you're good to go. So makeup brush liya, then I think I need to buy the eyeshadow palette also. So I bought this Miss Claire eyeshadow palette, and it has all the colors. So I bought this one because I have also started like eye makeup recently. I don't know, um, I'm not much expert in that. I have recently started and I'm beginner in eyeshadow. So I have bought this one because it have all the colors so that I can try it on and practice more on my eye makeup. So yeah, and this is a affordable one, and I guess it cost me around 300 something. Like it's written here 410, but I got in a discount. So yeah, first I bought this sugar eyeliner. This one is eyeliner, sketch pen, and the mascara. So this one is super good for who has started applying eyeliner, or started to learn how to apply the eyeliner. So this one is the best because it's a sketch pen, and for the beginner you must go with the sketch pen first. After that, then you go with that liquid liner, because it help you to create the edges, the wings you want to. So I can show you. This one is great. So this is a sugar mascara, and it lift your eyes, and it add volume to your eyes, and it long last, will stay on your lashes for the whole day. And I like this product. Looking for everyday mascara, then go for it. Next is Wish Care Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen, and it is very light. It leaves no white cast. I can show you. It's have a fluid, texture, and I like this product. I have seen, you can see, it's too fluid. It's too fluid, and this sunscreen leaves no white cast, and it actually good. It has this PF 50 plus and PA plus 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 plus. So yeah, it balances oil and it will protect your skin. And it cost me 499 rupees. It is highly recommended to use in summer because it's not a sticky sunscreen. It just, you will feel nothing on your skin when you will apply, and it will hydrate your skin. I like this product. So moving on, next we have, it is also from the Dot and Key, and it is a tinted sunscreen. So, and it's in a shade uh 01 pore claim that match with my skin color. And this is a sunscreen that I use daily because I don't want to apply BB cream or any foundation, something like, while I go to office. Or it gives the coverage, it gives good coverage, like if you apply it. And it also leave no white cast. See, I can show you. This is a very cute bottle. I like this strawberry color of this bottle. This is very cute. And yeah, uh, this is a mixture of moisturizer, sunscreen, and BB cream. And you just need to apply this on your face, and then you're good to go. You don't need to apply any BB cream or something like that. So you can see it gave a glowy finish, and it give you a glowy skin. So yeah, if you are a college student or office going girl, then this is a must have, because in summer, like, chip 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 sa feel na ho, then just don't need heavy makeup. So this one is a tinted sunscreen, and that is very good because it will give you a good coverage. And yeah, next is I restocked this Red Kill Moisturizer, and this is like, specifically this is for the dry skin, because and it had the ceramide and hyaluronic acid. So those who have dry skin, this is the best moisturizer, and I have using it like, this is my third bottle, and this is my third tube, and I like this very much. It doesn't feel sticky on my face. And if I show you, cost of this product is 295 rupees. I can show you. See, this is the, you know the whole hand is full here. I will apply this side. You can see it blends so well, and it's super soft. Like, if you apply your face, See, it's not sticky. It's super, super, super good. Like, I love this product and I will use this again and again. Next, this is the newly launched Nykaa Super Lightweight Cloud Liquid Lipstick, and I bought in a shade of Cinnamon Swirl. And this one is this is the packaging, and I like the packaging of this lipstick. I can show you. So this is the shade. It's in a cinnamon swirl shade, and it's in a brown shade. So next I bought this minimalist, hair shampoo and hair mask, and I'll try these and then I'll give the review because I have newly bought this. And it has the vitamin B5, amino acid, and ceramide. So it it's written here that it will repair and prevent hair damage. So let me try it out and then we'll see. Next I have this roll on. This is the Chemist at Play underarm roll on, and this has a very good fragrance. Maza aa gaya. I love this product. I use this on my underarms always because this has a great fragrance and it have 5% AHA, and that is very good. It will reduce, you know, it prevent the darkness in your underarms, and it help to control your body odor. So yeah, I like this product and this is great. So last but not the least, I bought the Skinn by Titan perfume, and this one is my favorite. I'm totally obsessed with this one. So I bought this mini trio of to try the other other fragrance as well. So this one is a Celeste, and I like this fragrance. Like, I use it every day, and super, super, super good. I will try these two and I'll let you know how this feels. It's perfect if you want to test it, and then you can pick your favorite large size product. So yeah, that was the everything from the Nykaa haul video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So let me know in the comment which product you want a detailed reviewed on. And if you guys like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.